Welcome to IgnitedUniverse.com, the realm of knowledge without boundaries. We offer you a vast variety of scholastic video courses created by experts specialized in different respective fields, following the UGC guidelines as recognized by various universities. Specifically prepared to help and support PhD scholars through their journey. Our courses consist of following: an introduction to research and the meaning and types of research, details of research processes and types and criteria for good research designs, data collection and sampling techniques and designs, literature review, related concepts and their significance, introduction and application of statistical methods and techniques used in data analysis, introduction to Microsoft Office and Microsoft Excel chart creation, advanced data analysis, and machine learning courses. All of these topics are covered through multiple well-organized PPTs and, of course, innovative, well-explained, and meticulously created videos together with a sample data collection that are used to demonstrate data analysis methods, in which all are readily available to be downloaded. Our team of experts are always available to respond to any queries during the time of your subscription. We provide academically recognized certification for all subscribed courses successfully completed online. Training for skills, building by knowing, and learning by doing.